Welcome to Miss T's Missing Persons channel. Today we're visiting Austin, Texas, where the search continues for a missing 33-year-old man, Austin Harrison. He was last seen on Monday, June 3rd, around noon, in the 500 block of Pleasant Valley Road. It is believed Austin may have gotten into a disagreement with his roommate and left his residence. His father recently spoke with media, and here's what he had to say.
I think there was some kind of disagreement at his residence. I'm not privy to what the topic was or the subject, but I think it may have, spurred the decision to leave the residence. Last thing we have was a 1:46 p.m. kind of like a delivery receipt that one of his friends received. The last ping for his phone was maybe a quarter mile away from that residence, and then that's it.
Of note, Austin is known to spend time at Secret Beach along the Colorado River near South Pleasant Valley Road. This I found very interesting, as Google Maps shows Secret Beach is just over a mile and a half east from Lady Bird Lake, where multiple disappearances have occurred. Friends and family have searched along the shore of the river for any sign of Austin, however, with no success. Austin has been described as standing 6 feet 6 inches tall, weighing 185 pounds, with brown hair and green eyes. He does have a few distinctive tattoos, including a sun on his left shoulder and other tattoos on his chest and stomach. He was last seen wearing a light red button shirt, maroon shorts, and Birkenstock sandals. There is a heavy concern for his safety and immediate welfare. His father had this to say in closing.
Not his normal behavior of being completely isolated. He had certain, needs as far as financial that we were supporting. And so to not have those requests coming in is also an indicator that, some big changes happen. And that's a concern. It's been very difficult. We are concerned for his well-being. We'd like to know that he's okay.